Welcome to Human Development Orientation Module 8. In this module, you will learn about career options you have once you've graduated and what classes you can take to prepare yourself for your desired field. The Human Development major is interdisciplinary, opening a lot of different areas where you can work in once you've completed your studies at UC Davis. You can work in teaching and education, counseling, public policy, public service, the medical and health sciences, childcare, social work, law, or research. There's so many opportunities you can explore with the Human Development major. One area that is very common for Human Development majors to go into is teaching and education. You can go into teaching kindergarten through 12th grade. You could be a school administrator or principal. You can work with special education children or teach English as a second language. You can be a preschool teacher or a school counselor. You can even go on to become a college or university professor. If you are interested in education, you can take the EDU classes as part of our restricted elective classes, and UC Davis offers an education minor that you can add into your graduation plan. Another area you can go into is counseling. There are many different types of counseling, from marriage, family, and child counseling, as well as a school or career counselor in a school setting. You can also be a genetic counselor to help soon-to-be parents make decisions about having a child, or a rehabilitation counselor, among other things. If you are interested in family counseling, HDE 110 looks at American families, and there are some EDU classes that offer counseling courses. Another area you can work in is public policy and public service. Careers in this field range from being a legal advocate for children, families, or elderly to working in juvenile justice or public health. You can also work as a public policy administrator in child welfare or child protective services, or for a nonprofit child or family foundation. Many other jobs than what are listed here fall under the category of public policy and service. If you are interested in these career options, you may take public health science courses or sociology courses that are approved for restricted electives. Another area that you can work in is administration and management. You can manage a senior living community, be a foster care administrator, and an administrator at an adoption agency. You can also be an HR specialist, a marketing, advertising, and PR manager, or even work for the Department of Education and be an administrator at that level. Our Human Ecology Department also offers courses from the Community Regional Development major that may offer you insight of this field. One area that you can work in after attending UC Davis is childcare. You can work at a child development center as a director or a teacher. You can work in a hospital setting as a child life specialist, or you can be a foster care child worker or a community child care coordinator. If you are passionate about working with children, the HDE 140 and 140L practicum or taking EDU classes is an option to great hands-on experience working with children. Another area that you can work in is social work or law. In social work, you could be working with kids and helping them be successful in life and connect parents with children to adopt. In law, you can work as a family law practicing lawyer or elder law attorney. You can be a court-appointed special advocate for elders and children to help them in court. There are also different areas of both social work and law that you can go into with the Human Development major. If you are interested in social work or law, you can take HDE 130 and sociology classes for major requirements to explore this field. One area that you can go into after graduating is research. You can do research in human development, adolescence, families, neuropsychology, or adult development and aging. You can even continue on and get your PhD while doing research of some kind. HDE 120 is a research methods class that is required for the major, but you can also take HDE 199 for restricted elective units if you'd like to get experience working in a research lab with faculty. Another common area that you can go into is medical and health fields. You can become a medical doctor, a nurse, dentist, physician's assistant, or a physical or occupational therapist, a pediatrician, or another specialization within the health field. If you are interested in going pre-health, check with pre-health advising to see which prerequisite classes you need to take for your particular health field. If you want to see more options or talk to someone about what to do with your major once you graduate, you can visit the Internship and Career Center. The ICC is located in South Hall by the Quad on campus, and the website is icc.ucdavis.edu. Or you can meet with our internship coordinator for internship opportunities that will help you get a step ahead in your career. You can always visit HDE faculty for grad school advice, research opportunities, and help that goes beyond your time at UC Davis. If you are interested in a career in health field, you can go and talk to Health Professions Advising for more information. You can find our internship coordinator and our academic advisors and peer advisors at our advising center in 1303 Hart Hall. We hope to see you soon.